In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WordPress website and start over. If you're feeling stuck with a site that's gotten messy or you just want a clean slate, I'll walk you through the exact path inside WordPress.com to either reset your site or delete it entirely. I'll also point out what each option does so you can choose confidently. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Settings option. Click Settings to open the main configuration area for your site. This is where WordPress groups a lot of important controls, including the tools you need to start over. In the Settings area, scroll down until you see a link labeled WordPress.com Site Settings. Go ahead and click that link. This takes you to the broader WordPress.com settings page for your site, which includes the more advanced or irreversible actions. Once you're on the WordPress.com site settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll find the section that contains the Reset Site and Delete Site options. Take a moment here, because this is where you decide between starting fresh or removing everything. Reset Site keeps your site's address and plan, but clears your content and settings back to a default state. It's ideal if you want to rebuild without the clutter while keeping the same site location. Delete Site, on the other hand, permanently removes your site and all of its content from WordPress.com. This option is for when you truly want to remove the site entirely. Deletion is permanent, so be absolutely certain before you proceed. When you click either Reset Site or Delete Site, you'll see on-screen warnings explaining exactly what will happen. Read them carefully. WordPress may ask you to confirm by typing your site address or acknowledging a checklist. Follow the prompts to complete the process. If you choose Reset, you'll return to a clean version of your site, ready to build again from scratch. If you choose Delete, your site and its content will be removed once the confirmation is complete. A quick tip before you commit: if there's anything you might want later, like text from pages, images, or settings, consider copying it to a safe place first. It's much easier to reference old content than to recreate it from memory. And that's it. Open your site, go to Settings, follow the WordPress.com site settings link, scroll to the bottom, and choose Reset Site or Delete Site based on your goal. Proceed carefully, confirm the prompts, and you'll be ready to start fresh.